How to use Chase Freedom Unlimited card in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is sign in into your Chase application and simply go ahead and tap on Activate Card button inside of your card section. Once you've activated it, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and open your Apple Wallet and then click on Add Card, and you can simply go ahead and enter the card number, the CVV, and every other detail, and you can simply go ahead and make payments easily in stores and online. Also, keep in mind you can earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases. You can also get 5% on travel through Chase, and you can also earn 3% on dining and drugstore purchases. Also, you can redeem your cashbacks. Tap on Unlimited Rewards in the menu and choose how you want to redeem your cash. You can redeem for any amount, anytime. You can also view account and transactions. You can make payments easily and manage your card settings if you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.